The three Irish people killed in a car crash in Spain have been named as Amy McCullagh, Michaela Newcombe and her partner Mark McCullagh. All three were from Mullingar in County Westmeath. A fourth Irish person is in hospital with serious injuries. The crash happened in the early hours of yesterday morning. Two cars collided on the A7 motorway near Malaga on Spain's southern coast.
The two couples were on holiday in the south of Spain when the car they were travelling in collided with another vehicle and plunged down an embankment shortly after 2:30 yesterday morning. Three of them were pronounced dead at the scene, west of Malaga off the A7 motorway. Michaela Newcombe and her partner Mark McCullagh were killed, along with his sister-in-law Amy McCullagh. A fourth man was seriously injured and rushed to hospital, while a 64-year-old woman who was in the other car was treated at the scene for minor injuries.
I know one of the families particularly well. As I said, they're from my own home village of Banlacarrigy. I spoke to the mother last night. She's understandably heartbroken and devastated, and I know she's going out there later on tonight.
Consular assistance is being provided to the families.
This is an absolutely devastating accident. Really, it's a matter to try and identify what has happened here, to understand how this accident could have happened, and to provide the consular support and assistance to all of the families that are involved.
The beauty salon where Michaela Newcombe worked was closed today as a mark of respect. A black ribbon lay on a framed photograph of her on the reception desk. Dozens of tributes were made on social media, describing her as a bubbly, kind person who always had a smile on her face.
It's a heartbreaking day. The parish is holding everybody close in prayer, gathering information as best we can, and we're ready to help family members, help friends, help anyone who needs prayer and condolence at this time.
While the community here in Mullingar comes to terms with these tragic events, in Spain, police are continuing to investigate the circumstances of the crash. Diane Connor, RTE News, Mullingar in County Westmeath.